Hello everyone! Welcome to Nilu Kids Show. Oh, Wishy, look! There are many bubbles with numbers inside. Well, if we pop them, we'll discover a surprise. But we have to do the right move. Yes?
How do we pop them, Nilu?
We're going to sing, jump, and move together. Are you ready?
Let's go!
So let's go!
One is fun, jump up high.
Woo!
Two is cool, wave goodbye.
Bye bye!
Three, spin like a bumblebee. Four, touch the floor, 1, 2, 3.
Boing!
Five, high five, let's go fast.
Clap, clap!
Six, pick up sticks, make it last. Tap, tap. Seven, stretch like a sleepy cat.
Meow!
8, wiggle, wiggle, just like that.
Wiggle, wiggle!
9, shine bright, touch the sky.
Up, up!
Well, 10, hooray, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye numbers!
Shot, hooray!
That was amazing! I learned numbers 1 to 10 by jumping, spinning, and dancing.
Great job! You did it great! Guess what, Wishy? When we learn by moving, we remember even better. Yes! Look! This is the biggest bubble! Oh my god! Can you guess what's inside? Oh, Wishy, are you ready to pop it together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and pop the bubble! Oh, there are many numbers here. Beautiful numbers. Hello, hello numbers. Oh my god, this is the biggest surprise I've ever seen. Ooh, beautiful. It was so much fun, friends. You did an amazing job learning numbers with us.
Learning is so much fun. And you can play again anytime. Just watch the video and
Don't
sing
forget
along.
to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends.
Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Perfect. See you soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.